a significant character in Metal Gear series backstory. The boss uses a weapon called the Patriot. Pixy, being a big fan of MGS series, wanted to create a modern, accurate, and consistent assault pistol with design cues from the Patriot. This build utilized a SMP engine coupled with our usual prowin hopup setup. We decided to wrap the weapon with the GunSkins Typhon Camouflage Vinyl. The Typhon camouflage is very similar to Snake's skin as a tribute to the game title, Snake Eater. There's a risk in modifying parts. You get what you pay for.
It happens.
What, shit?
This AR pistol is meant as a backup gun for Pixy, but the performance for this HPA setup can easily be a go-to gun for the day. It's accurate, lightweight, and provides surprising firepower with a quick trigger response. Even though the pistol is the idea for CQB, it performed well at Cold Red Airsoft Park. hitting target at longer ranges. Here are some footage from that day. The Patriot is definitely an icon, and there are many replicas builds out there. We hope you enjoy our modern adaptation of it. And please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.